Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Nowadays everyone is suggesting using eco-friendly books to save environment. So, let's start our topic with eco-friendly books. Eco-friendly books are the future of reading. They are made from recycled paper, using environment-friendly production processes that reduce waste and emissions. And the best part is that eco-friendly books look and feel just like regular books. It is also durable. There are many types of papers which are used to make eco-friendly books. These papers are sourced and manufactured with a focus on minimizing environmental impact. 1. Recycled paper. This paper is made from post-consumer waste or recovered paper products. It involves processing used paper fibers to create new paper, reducing the need for pure pulp and lowering the demand for trees. 2. FSC certified paper. The Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, is an international organization that promotes responsible forest management. FSC certified paper is sourced from sustainably managed forests, ensuring that the production of paper does not contribute to deforestation or harm biodiversity. 3. Agricultural leftover paper. This paper is made from agricultural byproducts such as wheat straw, sugarcane bagasse, or hemp stalks. Utilizing these leftover as raw materials helps reduce waste and provides an alternative to wood-based paper. 4. Bamboo paper. Bamboo is a fast-growing and renewable resource that can be used to make paper. It requires less water, pesticides, and fertilizers compared to traditional hardwood trees. Bamboo paper is often considered more sustainable due to its rapid regrowth. 5. Cotton paper. This paper is created from cotton textile waste or leftover cotton fibers from the textile industry. It provides an alternative to wood-based paper and reduces the need for virgin pulp. 6. Hemp paper. Hemp is a versatile and sustainable crop that can be used to make paper. It grows quickly, requires minimal water, and does not need pesticides or herbicides. Hemp paper is known for its durability and can be recycled multiple times. It's important to note that eco-friendly books may use a combination of these papers or other sustainable alternatives. The choice of paper depends on factors such as availability, production process, environmental impact, and the specific sustainability goals of the publisher. So, why not make a difference and start making the switch today? Let's do our part in saving the environment and preserving the natural resources that make books possible. The next time you buy a book, choose eco-friendly, and give back to the planet. Together, we can create a greener and more sustainable future for books and reading. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any query, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to get more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and keep reading.